Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 30 August and some of the important events happened on 30 August in history of India and the world which all of us must know. So let's look at those events happened on this day in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. If you want to be successful, you must respect one rule. Never lie to yourself. You know what you have achieved and what you have to achieve. Never fear if you have not achieved up to the extent of your expectation. Never also feel inferior. If you have any weakness, make them your power. Never lit up the light of your spirit. Carry on your effort and be loyal to yourself. And definitely you can get your success one day. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which Indian Hindi writer born on this day in 1903 is known for his novel Chitralekha and awarded Sahitya Academy Award for his novel Bhole Bisre Chitra? Answer. Bhagwati Charan Burma. Question number 2. Which year on this day Indian Independence League was founded by Rasbihari Bose? Answer. 1928. Question number 3. Who was the first governor of Reserve Bank of India who died on this day in 1952? Answer. Osborne Smith. One thing to note here, Reserve Bank of India was established on 1st April 1935 in which he became the first governor. Question number 4. Which Indian politician born on this day in 1895 was third Speaker of Lok Sabha from 1962 to 1967 and Governor of Rajasthan from 1967 to 1972? Answer. Sardar Hukam Singh. Question number 5. Which Indian actress born on this day in 1979 became the first Indian actress to get Best Actress Award in Los Angeles Movie Award for her first Hindi film Nirban 13? Answer. Anu Chaudhary. She is an Odia and Bengali actor whose debut film was Odia film Ma Gojobayani. She acted as child artist in films Mamata Mage Mula and Badhu Nirupama. Question number 6. Which historian died on this day in 2014 who had written the books India's Struggle for Independence and The Rise and Growth of Economic Nationalism and had founded the journal Enquiry? Answer. Bipan Chandra. Question number 7. Which city is the coastal capital of southeastern state of Victoria in Australia, which was founded on this day in 1835? Answer. Melbourne. Question number 8. Which New Zealand born British physicist born on this day in 1871 is known as father of nuclear physics who got Nobel Prize in 1908 for his principle of radioactive half-life? Answer. Ernest Rutherford. One thing to note here, he is also known for his discovery of atomic nucleus with proton and neutrons inside it. Question number 9. Which spacecraft was launched from Florida on this day in 1984 and landed at Edward Air Base, California on 5th September? Answer. Discovery. Question number 10. Which American state passed Assembly Bill 32 otherwise known as Global Warming Solutions Act on this day in 2006? Answer: California. This made California the first American state to place caps on carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, including automobile emissions. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.